Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fixing C stage 1 to skip disk checking. Press any key disk checking on Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand session manager. Open boot execute. After auto chk space, /k colan drive letter, space, /k colan another drive letter. In my case only one drive is available. Click OK and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.